Hey, sixth grade. This is Mr. Quinn. I'm one of the sixth grade math teachers, and I am here just to talk you through briefly how it will look like when you need to access one of your quizzes on Envision. So, if you see when you click on to Savis Realize, it will bring you to this page, and you will click on your class. So, I'm going to click on this red icon here, and now you'll see that I have a couple of classes because I teach a couple of different math classes. But for you, you're going to see Math 6, Period 7, if you have Mr. Stetter. So I'm going to use Mr. Stetter as an example, and when you click on his class, it brings you to what your assignments are. Any quiz or any mid-topic check or anything else you do that's going to be graded will have a red checkbox just like this. And that is what we're talking about today. You need to access this assessment, and all you're going to need to do that is click on it. That I've clicked on my assessment, you can see that it says lesson quiz. And now this Mr. Setter says copy two, but we're just going to go off the fact that it says 1-1 lesson quiz, and they'll all be titled differently. It'll just depend on exactly what your assessment's about. So when you go to take a quiz, if you want to listen to what the directions say, and you have this option for any assessment, you can just click the microphone and the word listen. You're going to go ahead and click on the word start. And now some of your questions here are going to be multiple choice. Some of them are going to be fill in the blank. As you progress through the quiz, you're just going to have to select the answer that you think is the most appropriate. For any quiz that we take, you're going to need to make sure that you're writing down your work into your math notebook or some type of paper that you can hold on to. Because if you have a question, we're going to want to be able to look at the work that you did to make sure that you are thinking about things correctly. And if you're not, we can help you find the best solution. If you need to listen to any question, you have the option to click the play button and it will read the question aloud to you. So that's a multiple choice question. This one is going to be a fill in the blank. I would just simply click on the box and I'm going to type in my answer. If I need to type a decimal point, I can do that. Everything I need to type, I type into the box that is highlighted. I have another fill in the blank question. And then your last question is another multiple choice question. We always encourage you to read every question carefully. You can add everything you need read to you. And remember, you need to make sure that you're writing down any work so that we can reference it later. Once you've answered every question, you can see that that's noted here. And then on the top, it tells me 4 out of 4 questions have been answered. I can go back and check my work on any question by clicking on the link of View Question, but if I feel like I'm done, I can click Submit Test. You need to make sure that prior to closing out of your browser, you need to submit your test to turn it into your teacher. This page does not tell you that you're done. It is only after you click Submit that everything is complete.